Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you just one exercise to burn belly fat. It also detoxes your entire body as well. We are going to jump straight into it and float with your breath. Let's aim to do at least 5 minutes of this. So basically you come into a forward fold, which really helps to detox your entire body, and then you basically reach up and then you round your back and you slowly come down whilst your core is engaged. Exhale to forward fold and then reach up and inhale and then exhale as you round the spine, engaging that core as you slowly come down to your mat. And this one exercise is amazing as it really targets those abs. Be sure to float with your breath and reach up as you lay down and really float with the breath. Let the breath assist you here. Exhale as you fold over, inhale as you reach up, and then exhale as you slowly make your way back to the mat, core engaged. And then once you reach the mat, inhale deeply, really sucking that core up towards the spine, and then big inhale as you come up, and then forward fold, exhale, reach up, inhale, and then exhale as you're coming back with the core engaged. Keep going, you guys, you got this. Keep breathing, flowing with the breath, engaging the core. You can do this. Envisioning your tight, toned, beautiful abs. Just breathe. We are almost there. You got this. I believe in you. As you lay down, reach all the way up, giving the body a nice stretch. And really make sure your core is engaged fully. And we aren't trying to rush, we're really taking our time, slow and engaged, you guys. Also, when you come up to forward fold, feel free to bend your knees as we want to ensure that we're folding from our hips, never our lumbar spine or our lower spine, as it can basically get injured. Well done, we have completed 3 minutes of this. You can add to your timer another 2 extra minutes if you feel to, or if 3 is enough for you today, that's fine. Well done, you guys, you did it. Now it's time to do a little workout dance. Now we are just going to stretch it out, the best part of the workout. We are going to come into a beautiful plow pose. The benefits of this pose are amazing. It literally heals your entire body, boosting and strengthening your immune system. And take it slow, you guys. Just like do what feels right for you. If you feel comfortable, you can place your hands back and then your feet into your palms. You can also deepen the stretch by really kind of flexing your feet, deepening the stretch in your hamstrings. Now we are just going to roll forward into a beautiful happy baby. Focus on your breath, you guys. Inhale all that amazing healing oxygen. Side to side. You can also stretch one leg out at a time. Just do what feels good for you here, guys, and really focus on the breath. Try to deeply inhale to your belly, exhale, contract everything back in. Peace, love and light. Remember, be your own light, be happy, be your own vibe. You got this. I shall see you guys in the next upload. Love ya. So you guys, did you know that plow pose was literally practiced by our ancient ancestors? This is literally from ancient Egypt. So you cannot go wrong with plow pose. It literally calms your mind and brain, soothing your central nervous system. It's also really good as it stimulates the abdominal organs and the thyroid glands whilst helping to reduce stress and tiredness, and it's really therapeutic if you suffer from backache or headache or insomnia or sinus issues.